Hey everyone, I want to share with you some of the cute things that we made as part of Stamp Camp this past weekend. And I've been finishing up because I couldn't stay at Stamp Camp the whole time. And so I've had to work on them through the week. And I've just now gotten most of my things finished. I'm not quite finished with all the cards we made, and I'm going to share that with you later. But I just wanted to show you some of the things to give you hopefully some inspiration. A lot of the things that we've gotten are not very expensive. And as if you're out and about at stores, you can be on the lookout for these kind of things because they're great gifts. They make great decorative items and just fun things to make. So here's the first little thing that we made, and it is a little shadow box with a snowman inside, and it was just so cute to make this and just get a little frame, and you can set this up on a shelf or on the wall. But we had that stamped and then did a little bit of coloring and added some cute decorative paper. So that's one of the items. The next thing I wanted to show you was this little recipe clip. You know, this is one of these big paper clips, and I have to say my stamp club leader, she has been collecting things for years for us, and we finally got around to having our stamp camp. And so I'm not quite sure where she got this, but it is a wood paper clip. I used to see these out and about. So we painted the front, the snowman, but then on the back side we put some decorative paper, so you can use whichever side, and then you put your little recipe card right there. So that was a fun little thing. Another quick and easy was just a luggage tag, this little plastic thing. I've seen these, I think, before at Staples. You can get these at any office supply store, and add a little ring to that, put some cute decorative paper. We put initials inside, and of course you got to add some ribbon. So that was another quick and easy. Here's a project that I'm planning to do some more of, and I'll share with you. But this is a little canvas tote that you can put a little gift inside. It would make perfect for a neighbor. Put some cocoa, some peppermint sticks, anything like that. But look at this on the front here. This is a stamped image. We used tissue paper and Mod Podge, and then colored over that with alcohol markers. So I'll share another one of those coming up soon. You have already seen I had a post for this Noel print. We finished that up. And here's another cute little thing in a little bag here that is a little tin container. Now I think she got these tins maybe on Amazon. I've seen different ones. We added some decorative paper to the front, and these I have seen before, these little clear pebble-like things at the Dollar Tree. I've seen that. I've also seen them at Hobby Lobby. We just cut circles and glued that to the bottom, added a magnet, and you can use these as magnets because we also put a big magnet on the back here. But I was going to show you the inside. We put a little notepad and pencil. So you can use that on your refrigerator, and then you've got the cute little matching magnets. But that was a really cute thing. That would make a cute gift to give someone, or just put it in a little bag with some other gifts. And this little container is really neat. If you recognize what this is, a DVD case, and we've added some decorative paper to that. And then on the inside, you've seen me add decorative paper to the top of notepads, and so that fits right inside. And then we have a little calendar. I think she got these at a local store. They have calendars and it had their information, and we covered it up with designer series paper and then popped that on that inside cover. So you've got a cute little notepad. Would be great for in the car if you can slip it into your bag or any sort of thing like that. And the final thing I think that I'm going to show right here is this Joy banner, and I think it's so cute. We used cardboard coasters. We've gotten these and used them for years, and if you can tell, the little snowflakes are the ones I've seen these at Dollar Tree, at Walmart. I think they actually slide together to make 3D, but we use them as a flat, cut out the JOY, and then of course you've got to add the little tassel here in between. So you're going to see this in my Christmas decorations later. So these were really fun projects to do. They didn't take very long, but just fun little craft things to do that you can add around the house over the holidays, and it's just fun to do. So be looking at things as you're going about, and you probably even have things at home that you can work on. So just wanted to give you a little inspiration for the day in your crafting.